Hello, my name is Camilo Mosquera. I am 30 years old. I am from Bogota, Colombia. I live in this city with my mother, my brother, and my nephew. I study industrial engineering. I work as a digitizer. My hobby is go out to eat with my friends, and I watching movies. My favorite TV show are the reality shows. My sport, my favorite sport is raya bicycle. Now my daily routines. I always I always wake up 4 in the morning. After that I brush my teeth and I shave. Then I take a shower. Later I get dressed. After that I have breakfast. Then I go I go to work by bicycle. I leave I leave work at 3 in the afternoon and I come home. In house I have lunch. Later on I help with homework of the house. Then I watching TV at 8 p.m. Finally I go to bed at 10 p.m. and I sleep at 11 p.m. Bye.